Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. As Mother's Day is coming, I have made something for you to gift your mother. Inside this card there is a crown popping up and the tutorial of this popping element will be uploaded soon. So I hope you enjoy this video.
And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin and I'm all soon. I know she got reasons strange, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, cause you got me holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is the perfect card to give to our mothers and thank them for their hard work. Subscribe to my channel and like this video and comment down below for any video requests. Also, stay home and stay safe. I will meet you soon with a new video. Bye bye. Also, check out these cool videos and click here to subscribe.